at the queue for the mummy, man. My goodness, it's like, what's going on over here? What is going on? I have never seen it this busy here at Universal Studios. Right, so it's Saturday evening. We've spent a day doing a bit of shopping at the outlets. We're going to go into Universal Studios for this evening. I believe they've got a new parade about 5:30 this evening. The wait times for the rides are still quite big, I believe. But we're just going to go in and just soak up the experience and just have a little wander around for the evening, I think. So let's go. Coming up to about 4:45, I think. We're approaching 5 o'clock. I think the parks are open till about 8 or 9 tonight. So might be able to get on something this evening. It's Saturday, so the parks are always busy on a Saturday. It's always good to avoid the parks on a Saturday, maybe a Sunday, because all the locals come in and get super busy. So that's why we plan to do the shopping on a Saturday, or any other kind of experience you want to try out instead. Saturday is always a good option to do something different than the parks. It's a good option to do, well, it's a good option to have a rest day as well on a Saturday. Maybe a pool day, sit by the pool, or maybe even, if you're desperate to go to a park, maybe Volcano Bay or Aquatica. That's a good idea. I mean, they will be still busy, but at least you can just chill out in the pool or go down a slide or just chill out down the river rapids, something like that. But yeah, let's head on in. So we're through the main gates, we scan our ticket, and they actually got me to scan my fingerprint this time. The other day they didn't bother. I didn't think they were doing that. Oh well, never mind. Cool, yeah. It's very busy up ahead. Such a buzz and excitement. Wow, so many people waiting for the parade. Never seen it like this before. Wow. Must be a good parade. There's the Born Stuntacular, we did that the other day. So apparently there's like big balloons in this parade and all sorts of new stuff. I feel like royalty coming down here. It's like everyone's like waving to the Queen or something, waving for the President. Hey Rick, how you doing?
Are we really live?
We're really live
right now.
Hello.
Our folks home in England can see us.
Yeah, hello England.
So can I say hello to myself when I get home and watch the replay?
Yeah.
Hello Nick when you're at home.
Yeah, go back and watch this one.
Yeah.
We will.
You'll be around the 1 hour mark.
Cool.
1 hour in.
Yeah, that's good.
Everybody.
It's good to see you guys again. You guys have fun tonight.
Yeah, thanks Rick.
Parade and holidays.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
See you later. Yeah, we got to see Rick's Fix again. He's doing his usual Saturday night live stream. It's Saturday, and he's here ready for the parade. So I'm just trying to find a good spot along this road to Fix again. Find a good spot to do some filming. we just watched the parade, the Macy store parade. Yeah, it was quite nice actually. Lots of confetti in the air and lots of lights and big balloons as well in the sky. I've never seen a big balloon parade like that before. It's a big thing here in America, isn't it? Big hot air balloon parades. I've never seen one of them before. Yeah, it was alright to watch. And yeah, the park is so busy, as you can see, loads of people around me. Absolutely mega chocker. So, just gonna have a little wander around now. All the rides are like really long wait times as well. This park, Universal Studios, is open till 8 tonight. Islands of Adventure is open till 9. And they've got a special castle show tonight as well. So everyone's gonna be heading over there. It's gonna be packed. Just looking at Rip Ride Rocket, such a good ride up there, all lit up, look at that. So just gonna look around seeing what we can do really, try and get some food somewhere perhaps. Cool. It's like HHN, isn't it? So busy. Look at all the crowds coming out. Everyone's heading out the park and they're going into the islands next door, I reckon. Try and watch the castle show. It's really different, all lit up at night, isn't it? All the lights. It's one big Christmas tree. It's really nice all lit up, isn't it? Wow, look at all the confetti on the floor. I've just seen that around the corner they've got these special machines that they wheel along and it sucks it all up. It's like big vacuums on wheels. There's the tribute store, that's open now. Look at the queue for the mummy, man. My goodness, it's like, what's going on over here? What is going on? I have never seen it this busy here at Universal Studios. I have never seen it this busy. Oh my goodness. The crowds! It's busier tonight than it is during the day. My goodness. So busy tonight. See all those crowds back outside the Mummy? It was saying a 25-minute wait. I don't think it's going to be like that now. That's the gift shop for Fast and the Furious over there, but the actual ride is shut. Closed for refurbishment. But yeah, they need to do something better with the ride, I'll tell you that. Let's make our way down to the London section. London King's Cross and Diagon Alley, and it's all nicely lit up. Just walking over by the lake. These two massive beams of light going up into the sky. It's really pretty. Wow. An hour's wait for that ride to go over to the Islands of Adventure, over to Hogsmeade. 60 minutes. So we've gone into the Richter Burger shop here, the Richter Burger restaurant, and we've never been in it before, so we thought we'd try it out. I've already ate all the chips, I'm sorry, so I couldn't show you that. I've already eaten them. Yeah. Soon find out what it's like. Yeah. It's got an upstairs to it as well. Sort of California theme. Richter's Burger Company. Yeah. That bell keeps going off every now and again. Oh, I understand it now. The Richter scale. It's like earthquakes and things, isn't it? Yeah. Richter's Burger Company. I understand it now. Just suddenly realised why this restaurant has this particular theming. It's because of the old earthquake ride that used to be here many years ago, before Fast and the Furious. There used to be an earthquake ride here at Universal Studios, and I remember it actually. I think I rode it the very first time I came to Florida, and it's based on this old film, The Earthquake Ride. It was actually quite a good ride. I think I prefer the earthquake ride than Fast and Furious, I'll tell you that. Good experience. So yeah, obviously the Richter scale for earthquakes, Richter's restaurant. I understand it now. Mel's Driving looks really nice lit up at night, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. Such a nice place to come and have your dinner. It's like such good character, isn't it? Like the old 1950s style diners. It's amazing. Down there, Optimus Prime is out. There it is, down there. So there's something going on down here. I think there's some kind of late celebration show. So we're just sat here waiting for the show to start now. Water projection show.
And now, as our day comes to an end, we gather to relive these incredible moments in our cinematic celebration.
what a show that was. I didn't even know that show was on. Yeah, I had no idea. It was the new Nighttime cinematic spectacular or something. Yeah, the Nighttime cinematic show. What a fantastic show that was. I was really impressed with that. I had no idea that was on. The Nighttime cinematic celebration spectacular or something. Yeah, what a fireworks show. That was really good. Showed you all the different like experiences of Universal Studios on the lasers, on the water fountains, the water jets that come out, and then you had the fantastic fireworks. Absolutely brilliant. What an amazing show. I had no idea that that was here. We saw the laser show a couple of years ago, but now it's a completely new one, and yeah, I had no idea it was here, but yeah, really good show that. You must come and see that. So that starts at 8 o'clock. So right at the end of the evening, right at the end of the night when Universal closes, the nighttime spectacular starts on the lake. So you must go and watch that. It's really good. Amazing fireworks, really good. God, look at the crowds in this place. So we're in Universal City Walk on a Saturday night, and yeah, it is chock-a-block. Everyone's leaving the parks, making their way home to the car parks and the buses. It is chocker. I've never seen it so busy.
Wait till Island's shut as well.
Yeah, wait till Island's shut. They shut in an hour's time. They shut at 9 o'clock.
Well, it's out now.
Well, yeah, they're shut in half an hour. So there's more crowds to come yet. Good job we're getting to the bus now, I think. So we're leaving City Walk for tonight. All crowds behind them. So yeah, it's been another interesting day. Started off with a bit of shopping this morning, and went into the parks later this evening to see some shows, see all the parade. Yeah, it's been an interesting day. Yeah, Saturday night at City Walk. Very busy indeed. So that's it for another vlog for today, I think. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Ryan's Travels. There's going to be lots more to come in these next 2 weeks. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you later in the next vlog.